We're going to be showing you how to make sausage, cheese, and egg breakfast muffins. So let's start out by showing you the ingredients we're going to have for this. We have 1 pound of breakfast sausage. It can be either pork, turkey, or chicken. 8 large eggs, half a cup of heavy cream, 1 cup of shredded pepper jack cheese, 1/4 cup of chopped green onions, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And the equipment you're going to need for this is going to be, of course, a frying pan, a spoon and a spatula, a bowl, a whisk, and a cup for ladling, and then a standard muffin pan. Turn your oven on to 350 degrees. Then we're going to take our pan, turn the heat on to a medium-high heat. We're going to add that sausage in there. And we want to crumble it up the best we can and let it cook. Make sure all the sausage is ground up really well. It's cooked completely. It's almost done here. Alright, sausage is done, fully cooked and ground up really nice. We're going to turn this off, drain any excess fat you might have on there. We're just going to let this cool a bit before we add it to the egg mixture. Alright, then we're just going to add our eggs. Your cheese, the heavy cream, the green onions, salt and pepper. Go ahead and give that a whisk. Kind of get it separated, or mixed up, I mean. And then we're going to add our cooked, drained of any fat. Let it cool just a little bit so it doesn't cook that mixture. We're just going to mix this all up. Incorporate it really well. You're going to take a muffin tin and you're going to spray it really well, very liberally with the food release, because you don't want these to stick in there. You take your mixture with your measuring cup. Now, I'm not saying to put this whole half cup into there, but you want to fill these cups about 3/4 of the way full with the mixture. So, like that. Like that. Alright, muffin tins are full of the egg mixture. I've got the oven preheated to 350. We're going to put this in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes and we'll come back and see what they look like. Alright, here's our fully cooked sausage, egg, cheese, breakfast muffin. We're going to let these cool a little bit before we try to take them out of the tin. Then we'll see what they look like. Alright, these are our beautiful sausage, cheese, and egg breakfast muffins. Make sure you serve them warm with your favorite other side that you would have for breakfast. These can be used for brunch, for dinner, for whatever. Make sure you cool them completely before you store them in a sealed container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Some tips and variations is you can use any kind of cheese you like. We use pepper jack, but you can also use like mozzarella, cheddar, or Swiss. You can add chopped vegetables like bell peppers, spinach, or mushrooms for extra flavor. Make these muffins ahead of time and then you can use them for a quick breakfast throughout the week just by microwaving them. You can throw them in the freezer in an airtight container and reheat them in the microwave as needed. Pair these sausage and cheese egg muffins with fresh fruit or side of yogurt for a balanced breakfast. They also make a great protein-packed snack for any time of the day. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out the recipe. Take care.